Some say original counter. Oh, phone or check, mommy. Okay, so I'm back again. Me buy another back again. Okay. You see, this country, when you'll be actually. So what I say, then you just come on somebody's page and just abuse a person. I don't know. Comments will appear. Check mommy. Okay, people, I'm back again. So the young lady insulting me, I'm back because of you. May God forgive you, okay? Efia papa bi lady we di matem koni page no so Yohana ama matoni din no am obapa ama afremia check ni page ma Efia check say Yohana no obapa check ma matoni din no amma de ben check ma me awesome. You are back. Yes, I'm back again, man of God, because there's a young girl who is insulting me. I've not done anything to you. I've come to my people. The son is back. Okay, thank you. So share the broadcast. So oh wow, just ignore her. Guzi, I should ignore her. Oh, okay. I should ignore her. Okay, I'll ignore her. Don't stop cry. Let's come again with her fully. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's I shouldn't talk. But Penny Page, no mommy. Not the picture, mommy. Why? We could hear you now. Okay, right. So like I said, people of God, don't water her. Hey, Kofi, you have to say, don't water her. Say, what does it mean? Don't water her. And so, okay, people of God, so I came your way to remind you that God willing, all things being equal, tomorrow we are starting when you're... Hey, Georgina, are you coming? When are you coming? Georgina, my daughter, Abna Georgina, when I come. If all things being equal, tomorrow, anybody, a lot of people are in abroad because of this program. A lot of people have conceived because of this program. And a lot of, don't worry, if you want to know whether John Mahama is winning this election or not, I want you to follow me this week. This week, I'm going to shake the presidency. I'm going to shake the nation by the Spirit of God. The Lord is speaking with me, and I'm a voice in the nation. So I'm a voice. I thank God for making me one of the finest. I have shared more than 10 groups. Simi Jones, God bless you. Will come when in Ghana, God willing. Mercy, Ajua also. I'll be looking forward. So God bless you. So I am Pat Gazy. My friends are Pat Omfa. How is Kobe? Check out with me. So like I was saying, ignore the ignorance. Thank you. Powerful program you can't miss. It's going to be awesome. So I can't wait. Okay, you are coming all the way from Sunyame. So Samantha, leave the numbers of the church. Buedi, the numbers of the church, leave it there for my people. If my follower, especially the young men who have been sending me messages, who have been inboxing me, Prophet, I want to be like you. I want to prophesy like you. I want God to use me like you. I want you to join me the whole of this week. Join me on Facebook. Join me on YouTube. But if you are in Accra, Ghana, or any of the 16 nations of the world in West Africa, who is winning the US election? Okay, so I want you to follow me. From tomorrow, you will be knowing very well. You are very strong and courageous. The Lord is my strength. If I have Jesus, the Bible says in Romans that nothing and absolutely nothing. So what can men do to me? Men cannot do anything. So I want to encourage you that tomorrow we are starting the program. It's 9 to 12. Monday, fake account. Look at this girl's face insulting me. Asafo, Chum. Look insulting me. Look at her face. We can buy something play more down. Rather fun, but other some are trying to picture no me blocking up. Me the abo beto no so. If you know this girl, tell her say me the abo beto no so soon. If you know who knows this, you saving the picture, man. I'll deal with her. I'll deal with her. So people are going. I love you, but be careful. Be careful. The stadium will be full. I receive it in the name of Jesus. I thought next year the stadiums will be full. So I leave you here. I'm Nigel Gazy. Like I said, from tomorrow, open oil. All the men of God watching me, all the prophet watching me. So this is my bookshop. It's called Yehovah Bookshop. It's ready. And normally now you're ready. I'm going to pack it. This is the to my friend and so friend that in so the drinks bibia the besham enti nyame adoma Bibia, you're ready. I'm on the Besham. Bibia, you're ready. Hey, people find problem for themselves. If you know that girl, can you say they are more better? So some of the almost say, Obia didn't know I am matching me bomb, and they are more ever to the womb, so now we are Thomas. So some of the almost say, Obi or Mary Robbie, I met it show I did soon. And listen. We are here, so this is our bookshop. So if you're a man of God, you want books to buy, so you can pass by. There are a lot of oils from Israel. It's called Yehovah Bookshop. Yehovah, no, I do maybe I say it's them for saying that girl will never give birth. I'll block her womb because Nyamiama to me. Me blocking the womb and they are water so. One said. Mekaya no wakosi sano macho ni din dada tell that girl macho ni din dada me de abo beto no womb so ontime wo da me so me fasting and then me no ka say since the beginning of this month my fasting sazi na me ka to so be that ama for the ma me nkese no se se adu brebi a o de san mu your friend say oba pa ama afremi ama keso e wo yesu ni me de abo to womb no so 13 me de abo mako 13 eto womb so untime wo da baby a wo bia I call for the wind, the north, the south, the west. Me the torso inframa bo from the west block womb. From the east, block womb. From the west, block womb. North, block womb. South, block womb. Ewe yesu nim. Me sat the abo to so and to. May the heaven be sat over your life. The earth be sat over your life. May premature death take you away. Ewe yesu nim. By my 72 covenant and fight so. Ewe yesu nim. For coming on my page for nothing and insulting me, you are cast forever. Your hands will never handle man. You'll be empty like that. You'll be so empty, very empty. Very, very empty. I call for the wind from the north, the east, the south, the west. I call forth. May it fight you forever. Your palm will be slippery. Your path will forever be slippery. Bema be ent me what would that away should do. Over cover be never catch also diphobia castle. Where you spinal cord no a problem. Where spinal cord be a problem. Away yes to Christ Nazareth demo. And next time Brami pay the Subedim Kas Assembly. Into other phone Yamisha. Why we Christo Nibia, them never see a said Yankupon to me. Me Yamyama to me. Or Mark when we are sending a woman. Jesus among to mini to me, Camino baby a meduno. Mini to me, and Camindina Menaso, the baby a Macom, Nipasha family, and Camindina Menaso, into Mamocasa Messi Messino. Monti Macasagos, Cacra de Benya Bamida channel. Cacra de Necrania won't damn your woman, Memory and Kuntiano. Encuntiano, memory than Encuntiano, and Memman Kuntiano, and Mount Kuntiano, a body in Encuntiano. Ni fear, me frown, fear, ni fear, and almost fighting. Oh, yes, Christo. Into the mission, me feel paid, you know. So, when tonight I am back paid, you know. So, this is the reason every time I want to come and be a blessing. But you come on, look at the girl's face. And then you to say, we are yet your friend said, tomatoes are yet here. Tiamisha. Tuna Brasori 9 to 12. 9 Exna Brasori 9 to 12. Anopa. Monday and number 6 to 9 p.m. Tuesday anopa may council. Metnas and Ame so Sumajuma Abua Shebre. Sister Biba sorry. Last 3 weeks no buy Okoda. Your friend is saying Nigeria for 3 months. I show you Nigeria. Mimboni din. When you cancer or ban honomo, may I shed here cancer and I hid here ashes. Ehele cancer. Baby, I will be at this week, but at 15 Green Hill Street. I'll stop for now. You're ready. Where my fasting the whole month. Many are brave soon. Into Nyamisha, tell already in fast at the air bank for not ever. Sierra Leone for ever. Nipa be brave if it's Sierra Leone ever. I'll hear the TV no Oba, Obewomo, and me in Chacho, in Kofofi Gabon, Ivory Coast, or Moba. Into the beer will be a bra, only baby da, bet me, and your guest house around. Now, patch up, now, Juma. Tinamisha, Yamenomba, where your software, Mission Crancer, may be a bookshop, or help be Dimatem, Yamisha, Yamenomba, into your best share bill, Yame and Dombuam. Into this week, Exna. When your battle is from home. So me no we na ya sorry ba odome open adom na dam sona. If you receive me, go and make a post about when your battle is from home. Ebenezer Kumsin, God bless you. If you don't believe the oil on me, nobody's forcing you. Don't come on my page. But if you come to abuse me, I will curse you. Because it's a weapon. I will curse you. Well, Sir, one said, Aqua, Madam Fui, Choba, we man of God, a friend said, Ajagraja. So for Ajagraja, or different Ajagraja, and a mission. One said, Obedi water, says, now approach me in a mayfan. Obedi matter, me do water, make castle. Ajagraja, now approach me in a mafano. So that your Ghana dear, you celebrate here, dear. My father has come on the page. My father, I'll mention your name, sir. Alaji, I salute, I'm going. Because my father has come, I'm going. My Alaji, when I call you, Alaji. Okay. So when you say, Penny be part by page, so, or you Sikati say, bro. Wow. Or you're a great man. Then I'll be catching. Or you're a boss. Or banks. Heritage Bank, near end of wow. So on it here, Alaji, because of you, I'm going off. I'm calling right away, pick it. You see, in Penfotier. So if you watch me, this is my bookshop. I want to encourage you. We'll be fixing the things so you can pass by and you can get your things. I have a canteen, Yehovah canteen. You can pass. Alaji, the things you taught me, I'm doing it. But Alaji, when I call you, Alaji, I'm calling right now because Alaji has come on this. In Kremofokraji, only one person. So yes, Papa won a bank so. So I say, Okase BBC. Onukra Ejiedi. So I say, Papa, because of him, let me go off. Alaji said to Agongo, I salute my father. Or my father. Wow. Last was sending me sika. Wow. But I saw Osama me be with I saw mommy on that class FM here. Number 1 FM here. Or Ghana, I don't know plenty radio stations. Wow. Alaji, I salute you, sir. Great your son, I'm lawyer. Your boy Nigel, I'm lawyer. So because of my father, I'm going off. So I love you, people of God. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at church. Don't forget that the best is yet to come. Don't forget. A lot of you are asking that what is going to happen in America. I've already said it and I'll reiterate it tomorrow in church. A lot of people are asking that. Is John Mahama winning? Is Akufo-Addo losing? Tomorrow, through this week, God is going to speak. I know a lot of people are waiting. May some come back when I'm the pressure at Tonkrofo. So no more you waiting, no more bomb pie. Don't worry. Nyamia you need to actually me. You see, Koswa bomb pie. When I love you. More man, we are one people, but I'm following my program because whatever I say, we say, the men of God say in this altar or my altar is not going to fail. It's going to be awesome. If you want to revive yourself, join me this week, 1st to 8th November, 15 Green Hill Street, Domain. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Alaji said to Agongo, I love you and I celebrate you. You're a good man. God bless you. So I leave you. Myself, the money Alaji gave you. You know I'm your personal aid. Okay, I hear you. I sound Alaji sent me. I know na Heritage Bank. Wow. Very humble man. Wow. Very, very humble man. I said, our companies be break. You can't get a first car 4-5 or back out. Wow. I no crow follow me. I no crow boom me. So I no crow me cast on down. Better. So I oh small girl, your friend is but this a crowd that single room. So I say, what that single room? I trust or but be careful with the U.S. election. Socrates, the U.S. election. Don't worry. You know, I'm a master in prophecy. Prophecy is in my bosom. I see and I say, don't worry, we are fine. We are praying for Ghana. We are praying for John Mahama. We are praying for President Akufo-Addo. We are praying for civil society. Listen, if you want to know what will happen in the next coming days, we have 38 or 37 days to election. Follow me. Follow Prophet Nigel. D4 Ben or Ghana in recent time, near what Kenyan Abem, a Prophet Nigel Gazy, into her face like to how Gazy. Because Erade de Asama Shemanumu Amo Man Ghana. Erade Eden Asam Ashamanumu Amo Man Ghana. Enfeli. Inti Nyamisha Munyamindomwa. Awo ya Chumbena Bekana Fede Yanko. Uya no I. Inti Nyamisha Nyamidomwa. No Mokasa. Nyamisha mu. Program ye sha se Nyambo Ochina. Pese ode wo beji Nyamibe nse pa. Memisi program no. Ocha on the 1st on the 8th. Na otwi Nyamibe nse general Abrabum. God bless you. Bye-bye.